NGC 247 is also known as the Needle's Eye Galaxy because of the peculiar hole on one side of its core. The vast void could have been caused by a collision with dark matter. Its causes have been speculated for a while. Let us go through the information available thus far. NGC 247 is a beautiful spiral galaxy that we see almost edge on. It's smaller than the Milky Way, but it contains some bright nurseries, dense gaseous regions where new stars form. Its most unusual feature, though, is its dark void on one side of the galaxy's core, which looks like a hole has been punched through the disk. The region contains a few old, faint stars, but almost no young, bright ones. Initially, astronomers suggested that the void might have been caused by gravitational interactions with part of another galaxy. More recent research suggests that the void could have been formed when a blob of dark matter, theoretical so far, undetected material that is estimated to account for a large percent of the universe, plunged through the disk like a rock through tissue paper. The impact would have scattered stars and blown away the gas and dust for making more stars. Or there could be an even weirder explanation, say experts. The astronomy community has not paid much attention to it, but if you have extraterrestrial intelligences that build Dyson spheres and have interstellar travel, what would that society look like? They might start by building a sphere around their own star, and then expand to nearby stars, building a Dyson sphere around each star that they arrive at. That might look like a hole in the galaxy that grows as they expand. NGC 247 reminds us of that. The hole is probably natural, but we cannot be absolutely sure until we know further details. The Exotica catalog lists a few other odd galaxies that could be home to vast civilizations. We know that the universe is capable of giving rise to an intelligent, technologically capable species, say experts. And if you think even further, one could imagine that extremely advanced technologies, millions, maybe billions of years more advanced than ours, might even have capabilities that would manifest on cosmological scales. Scientists and astronomers are building new telescopes that will make looking for these things much easier. The Vera C. Rubin Observatory, under construction in Chile, will be the next few years able to discover and observe the entire night sky every few nights, over and over, and therefore show if anything changes. With new instruments and the imagination required for all scientific discovery, astronomers may find the ancient and advanced civilizations that Frank Drake once dreamed of, or even the most mundane of explanations for the puzzles presented by the universe, including the one by the Needle Eye Galaxy. NGC 247 is one of several galaxies that is gravitationally bound to the Sculptor Galaxy, NGC 253. These galaxies form a small core in the center of the Sculptor group, which is one of the nearest groups of galaxies to the Milky Way. Most other galaxies associated with the Sculptor group are only weakly gravitationally bound to this core. Thank you for watching till the end of this video. We hope we have given you some new information that you weren't aware of, and if there is anything that you would like to add to what we have said here, please let us know in the comment section below. Please check out our other videos so that you can be informed on all things space. Don't forget to hit the like button and definitely subscribe if you haven't yet so you can continue to support our work and be informed whenever we drop a new video on the mysteries of the universe and all its glory. Thanks again for watching. Have a lovely day.